Welcome to our weather briefing for Sunday, February 24th, 2019, brought to you by the National Weather Service Weather Forecast Office out of Sullivan, serving all of southern Wisconsin, including the Milwaukee and Madison areas. We'll take a look at the forecast for the upcoming work week, but first, let's take a look at the storm system that affected much of the state over the weekend. And as you can see, there was a swath of heavy snow, of some places in excess of a foot, that fell from late last night through this morning. And in conjunction with it, there were some very strong winds across the area today. Tops of the list was Milwaukee at 63 miles per hour, but as you can see, there were several airports across the area that had gusts of at least 45 and in some cases in excess of 55 miles per hour, and this caused a lot of problems with blowing and drifting snow in those areas that received in excess of several inches. Looking ahead, this is what the forecast is for this week, and I know there's a lot of snow shown on here, but it's not going to be quite as bad as what it looks. It's going to be pretty doggone cold tomorrow. It's going to be breezy, not as breezy as what it was today, but there'll still be a stiff northwest wind, and temperatures will struggle to get into the double digits. And there could be some afternoon flurries, and then going into Tuesday, the temperatures moderate a little bit. Could be some AM flurries, and then overnight, light snow is likely, and there could be a few inches, and we'll take a look at the map for that here in a little bit. The light snow continues into Wednesday morning, and then we get a little bit of a break late Wednesday night, and then there's a chance for some more light snow on Thursday, and then another break Thursday night, and then potentially a more significant system moves in for late in the week and early the weekend, but that is a long ways out, so we're not really going to get into any specifics on that particular system. But the overall theme of the week is below normal temperatures and an active weather pattern. Due to the cold conditions tonight and the breezy conditions that will continue, lows will be in the single digits above and below zero, and those temperatures will combine with a northwest breeze of at least 10 to 15, gusting 20 to 35 miles per hour in the morning. Will produce wind chill values of 15 to 25 degrees below zero. As you can see, the far southeast Wisconsin has been kept out of the wind chill advisory, and that is because the value, the criteria for that is minus 20, and the majority of those counties are only expected to see wind chill values in the mid to upper teens below zero. It's still going to be windy and cold, so don't let that fool you. The wind chill advisory is in effect from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Monday morning. On that, here's our first crack at some snowfall totals for the Tuesday night into Wednesday morning snow. The T on there stands for a trace, so in southwest Wisconsin, there may not be all that much snow, less than a half an inch, or if it overproduces, you could get a couple inches. But the overall theme here is the higher totals should be in east central Wisconsin, where there may be a little bit of a lake enhancement effect going on. And then on that, there'll be an area of low pressure that tracks well south of Wisconsin late in the weekend to the weekend, and that could put an area of accumulating snow across Wisconsin, like I said, late Friday into Saturdays. This is quite a ways out, so we'll try to refine the forecast over the week. Keep checking back for updates as we try to hone in on exactly who's going to see snow and how much. Thank you for watching. Have a good week. Good night.